What we are seeing, people of Kisumu, people of Siaya really welcomed us. I spoke to Governor Jim Orengo. I think they're all waiting, supporting Mama Aida and the family. So that is what I want to say, media. You can see we have really come. And kwa hivyo we also be driving animals literally. Ile ng'ombe imekuja itapelekwa kwa mguu. Tukifika huko inatungojea mahali and then tuwapelekee familia as a way of mourning. We have our Secretary General Shekil Abdallah there. We have also Ambassador Faye. It's literally all the friends of Raila who are here, including Wakil Njiru and Mheshimiwa Sisli Kariuki here from CS. Mukunji is actually the chair, a member for Manyata, is the chair of young parliamentarians. If you remember, he was incarcerated wrongly and charged under Prevention of Terrorism Act. We are happy he's here with us, and many others who have come. And the only clarification, United Opposition, no, we are here to also represent them. But I think Rigiji and others will also look for time to come and mourn our late brother. So we are all united. Mother Karua, Eugene Wamalwa, Natembea, Rigiji, I spoke to him last night. And of course, we are also now strategizing on the pending by-elections. So some of them are